Hi, my name is Joseph Laurie. I am a woman's hair loss specialist with over 25 years in the field of treating all types of hair loss disorders. I've been featured on hair loss talk shows. I've been featured on front covers of New York magazines. But that doesn't mean anything unless we can help you. And that's what I'm here to talk about with you today. It's called the Guci method. The Guci method is a way to gain back your confidence, your hair you've always dreamed of, your sex appeal, by gaining a solution to your hair loss problem in 60 days or less, without the use of drugs, surgery, and side effects. And why I talk about drug surgery and side effects is because everything in the Guci method is an all-natural process. What I'd like to do right now is explain a little bit of the Guci method and how it works. The Guci method is a 3-phase, 9-step process. And this 9-step process will walk you through each step of the way and tell you how together we're going to get your hair back and how we're going to make you happy. Step 1 of the Guci method is basically an information gathering part. I want to know everything about you, everything in the past 5 or 10 years that you've done. I want to know what your diet is like. I want to know your history of your family tree, your father, your grandfather, your mother, your grandmother, everyone, brothers, sisters. I want to see if we're dealing with something genetic here. To compound that, we're also going to find out what type of medications you're on. We'll get as much information to this process because it is a very important part of our analysis of what's going on with your hair. Step 2 of this Guci method and this 9-step process is the triggers that each one of these information gathering sections have provided to us. There are over 37 triggers of why women lose hair. Now, you're not going to possess all 37. Most women possess anywhere from 3 to 7 of these triggers. But these triggers are paramount in what's causing an unhealthy growth cycle for you, which is the reason why you are losing hair. The third step of the Guci method, the third of 9, will be our trichology examination. That's when I'm going to take a look at your hair follicles, your scalp. We're going to look at oxygenation. We're going to measure the hair shaft. We're going to see all different things that are associated with the hair and scalp. And then we're going to put that into our analysis as well. Once we have that, step 4 is really the results of the information that we gathered. We're going to talk about costs. We're going to talk about how long you're going to be here, how much time we're going to need to fix this problem. Everyone is totally different. It's truly a customized program based on just a number of factors. The 5th step in this process would be our recommendation of the type of technology or a group of technologies we're going to use. And I say this because, again, it is not one process that fixes your hair loss. It is a management of the issues and could be a combination of different types of treatment methodologies that get you to where you want to go and to the hair you've always wanted or the hair you once had. The 6th part of this is actually a detailed, customized solution. This could be low-level laser light therapy, which stops the progression of hair loss. It sparks the hair back into a growth cycle. That is a very important part of hair loss. It could be cosmetic transdermal reconstruction, it could be platelet-rich plasma, it could be transplants combined, it could be a bunch of different things. But that customized solution will be just for you. Step number 7 is we need to get started. And let me tell you that most of the time, hair loss is a time-sensitive issue. Every day you wait, your hair does not get any better on its own. Getting started, making a decision to do something about your hair is really the most important part, as well as preventative medicine. If you're only losing hair and you want to stop that, we have to prevent this from getting worse. If you're already losing hair and you've lost a tremendous amount of hair, we still need to get started so you don't lose any more hair. The 8th step would be, once you're in this process, your visits. Your visits here, like I said, are really detailed towards the type of triggers that are presented to us. You may be here a lot, you may be here a little, but we're a family here. We take care of you, whether you're here twice a week or whether you're here once a month or anything in between. We want to make sure that you're comfortable in what you're doing in the setting that we're providing for you. The ninth and final step is when your protocol comes to an end. And we sit down and we go over all of your testing. We go over new testing. We do new hair density analysis. We do new trichology exams, and we compare our data. And once we have that, we could determine with a numerical score whether or not your hair increased in density, whether the breakage is increased, or whether the breakage has been repaired. We can go through all of this stuff together and make you the happy client that we so desire and give you the hair that you once had or once dreamed of. When I'm done with all of this here, I'm going to provide you with a PDF or a file, a booklet that you'll be able to read and follow and contact me and answer me any questions that you desire. To leave off, I'd like to say, read the information. You've taken the first step by watching this video. Give me a call. My consultation is complimentary, and I'll be more than happy to put you on the road to happy hair with the Guci method and the 9-step process to healthy hair.